The future cash is here, and the future cash is Send. Send is a Web3 P2P platform that allows you to send cryptocurrency to your families and friends with just a send tag. You can call Send app the Web3 Cash App. You can use Send app as your personal wallet to save your cryptocurrency because it is safe, secure, and you can access your fund anytime, any day using the Send app without any stress. The most interesting part is that you get rewarded for everything you send on the Send app. Also, you can get Send token for free. Yes, you can get Send token for free, and in this video I will be showing you how you can get that. But for all this to happen, you need to get a Send tag. So let me quickly show you how you can register and get your Send tag in place within just a minute. The first thing you have to do is to click on the link in the description or the comment section of this video. It will take you up to the Send website where you'll be able to register for Send. And what you got to do as a new user is to click on this sign up button. After when you click on the sign up button, it will prompt you to input your phone number, which I'm going to be doing that right now. You verify that you are a human, then you click on sign up. For you to complete your account creation, you need to create a passkey, and this passkey will be used to secure your account on this device. Just like I said before, Send cares about your security. So you can see that the registration process is very simple and secure. On the home page, you should see deposit and the list of coins that are currently available here. We have USDC, Ethereum, and Send. More token will still be added here, and Send is the native token of the Send app, which is currently available on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So you should count yourself lucky as one of the early users that discover Send. So make sure to do whatever you can do to accumulate as much Send as you can. And in this video, I will probably be showing you one of the easiest way to get Send, and also you can buy Send. But for you to do all this, you need to activate your Send tag. So for you to activate your Send tag, all you have to do right now is to click on this icon up here. And once you come down here to this account, this is where you'll be able to activate your Send tag. If you click on this Send tag, you have to create a new tag here, but you need at least 2.5 USDC. So how will you get USDC? If you have any fund in Bybit, I would recommend you use Bybit because it allows you to transfer lower USDC. You can send USDC, come down here, and I'll also be showing you that as I will be funding my wallet right away. So to fund my wallet, I just have to click on this deposit, and then I will copy the deposit deposit address, which is also the same thing as this USDC address. Then I will go to my Bybit. I have already arranged my fund on Bybit. So here is my Bybit account, and I have like 3.5 USDC here, which I plan to use to fund my Send wallet. And for you to get this, you can literally swap any token to USDC. Instead of swapping to or selling to USDT, you will swap it to USDC, and then you send it to your funding account where you'll be able to send it out just like this. So for me to do this, I will just click on this, and then I will click on withdraw down here. Then I will just input the wallet address I copied from my Send. And remember, the network you have to select should be on base network. So you see now the gas fee is 0.5 USDC charges. So after you select the base mainnet, then you input the amount you want to send. So I will just be sending like 3. So I will just click on withdraw. So withdraw has been successful. I will just go to my Send app to refresh the page right now. So I just found my wallet with 3 USDC, and right now let me quickly show you how you can get your Send tag. For you to get your Send tag, you just come down here. You come here, then you come to accounts, and here you will see Send tag. If you click on that Send tag, you will click on new tag, and this is where you input your Send tag. The pricing mechanism around here is that the shorter your Send tag character, the higher the amount you are going to be paying. So for instance, if you want to use 6 character, it's going to be 2 USDC. If you are using 5 character, 4 USDT, 4 character, 8 USDC. And if you want to use between 1 to 3 character, you are going to be paying 16 USDC. So do according to what you have. Presently, I only plan to pay just 2 USDC, which is what prompts me to use hashtag 1. And coming down there, you have to confirm the person that onboarded you Send tag. So make sure that if you are using my referral code, make sure that you confirm that you can see hashtag 1 down here. Now I will just click on add tag, and this should generate the tags for me, which is this. So you can see the fee, 2 USDC, but there's going to be a gas fee, which is why I will not advise you to send approximately 2 USDC down here. So make sure to add something for the gas fee. So that is done, and you can see my send tag right here. You have the chance to get up to like 5 send tags. So it means that you can register 5 tags on this send application, and this will serve as your wallet address. So if you're a business owner, you have different business name and you want to use send tag send to as a means of payment, then definitely you can create different send tag for your businesses. It's as easy as that. Now that your send tag is ready, let me show you what you have to do if you want to get send tokens for absolutely free, or by just performing some little tasks you can accumulate as much as you want. So what you have to do right now is to click on this rewards. For you to activate your monthly rewards, here are the things you need to do. You must register at least 1 cent tags, which we have done that. Then you have to maintain the minimum balance of 400,000 cent token. Coming down here also, you will see 10 plus send. It means that you should try to keep sending every day. At least make sure to find one new person to send to every day, and every month you should send to at least 100 new send order. This is a system to keep the community unite and build a strong ally. Your send strike is how active you are, and this is going to be used for your bonus multiplier. Also, if you come down here, you will see your progress. So this will show you if you are qualified for the monthly rewards. And coming down to where you see people to interact with, firstly, if you are my community member, definitely you will be seeing my post about send often. Then also, if you register using my link, you can drop your send tag in the comment section below. Let's interact with each other. You can also follow Send on X, formerly known as Twitter. You can follow them, and any tweet you make about send, tag send community and let people engage with your post. If you are a content writer, graphics designer, this is where your skill come to play. The more visible you are, the more send you will accumulate at the end of the month. Also, you can join Send Africa on Telegram. You can see this group is very active, and from here you will see a lot of people that will send to you, and you can also send to them as well. And this is how you accumulate more send token. At the end of the day, you will get your rewards, and you can do whatsoever you like to do with it, but it is advisable for you to accumulate more and hold send, because you are still early, we are still early, and this is Web3 future cash. So make sure you hold it tight and you keep sending. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section below. And if you get any value from this video, don't forget to like, share it for more people to see, and of course follow this page or subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.